Whoops. I'm pretty. I don't even know. Oh. Now the string's all messed.
On this. Can't throw it like that.
Oh yeah.
Gotta flick it.
Flick it.
It's like unleashing, like. Oh. Close.
That's another trick?
Yeah, you kind of went around, like around the world. Good. Okay, so now do it harder, like with determination. Don't see, you're just letting it go. You're just going like this.
Okay.
Like flick it out of your hand like that. Okay. Boom. Well, you're not even throwing it. You have to throw it and able to make it sleep.
I don't know if we're gonna get to that.
Why don't you try just yo-yoing twice in a row without having to rewind it?
How about that? That was walking. That was.
Why don't you just walk the dog like this? Yeah, you walk the dog.
All right, that's it.